Everyone is searching for that one secret shortcut to bypass the hard work of fitness. You see it everywhere on social media right now. Specifically, there is this buzz around a gelatin drink recipe that supposedly acts as a heavy-duty hunger suppressant. It sounds almost too simple to be true. You just mix some gelatin and drink it down to stop the cravings. But we have to look past the hype. Gelatin is really just a cooked form of collagen. It is essentially pure protein. Protein is well known for making you feel satisfied after a meal. This is called satiety. When your stomach feels full, your brain stops sending those intense signals to eat more. That sounds like a win. However, there is a massive gap between feeling full and actually losing body fat. Feeling full might help you skip a second helping of pasta. It might help you pass on a late night snack. That is helpful for sure. But it is not a metabolic torch. It is not going to burn through calories while you sit on the couch. The science behind this specific trend is pretty thin. We do not have massive clinical trials proving that gelatin is some kind of fat-burning elixir. Most of the chatter comes from anecdotal stories. It comes from fitness influencers. If you look at what actual nutritionists say, they will tell you the same thing. Lasting change comes from a combination of things. You need a balanced diet. You need to move your body consistently. One drink cannot replace a lifestyle. Some people think if they just choke down this gelatin mixture, they can keep eating whatever they want. They think the weight will just fall off. That is a dangerous mindset. It leads to frustration when the scale does not move after a week of drinking slimy water. If you are a healthy person, trying this recipe is not going to hurt you. It is just protein. It might even help your joints or your hair because of the collagen connection. But do not treat it like a magic potion. If you are curious, go ahead and experiment. Use it as a tool to help manage your appetite during a busy day. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. Real weight loss is a slow process of making better choices every single day. It involves planning your meals. It involves understanding how your body uses fuel. You cannot find health in a single ingredient found in the baking aisle. I see people get so excited about these hacks because they want an easy out. But the truth is that the basics still matter most. Focus on whole foods and plenty of water. Get enough sleep and manage your stress. If you add the gelatin on top of those habits, maybe it gives you a slight edge. But on its own, it is just a snack. Don't fall for the trap of thinking you found the one thing everyone else missed. There are no secrets in fitness. There is only consistency and time. This gelatin trend is just another chapter in a long book of quick fixes. Some work a little. Some do not work at all. This one is mostly about managing your hunger levels through extra protein. That is useful. It is not a miracle. Keep your focus on the big picture. Do not let the latest viral recipe distract you from the work that actually yields results.